Make sure you stay till the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you need to find guys where the fuse for the lane departure or the forward camera is located, stay with us. We'll cover that in this video today. We'll explain common mistakes people make when replacing a fuse or relay that can cost you practically guys thousands of dollars in damages. Also, why it's super important to test fuses and how to do that as well. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay till the end. We'll share very helpful information. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So most people guys will actually open the hood on the Dodge Charger and they will hope that it's under the hood. You have a fuse box right here. It will be about the same on V6, V8. Specifically we have a 2018 year model here, but your fuse is not here, it's at a different place. Now, if you have problems still not working after you replace a fuse, or you want to know about a good scanner for Dodge or any car practically guys, this is one of the best scanners on the market for that price, the Maxicom. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use guys. So definitely it's a great tool. Check it out. You can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes, see live data, and some of these new cars they may have up to 50-60 different computers, so you definitely need a tool like that. Let's explain where that fuse is located now. You will need to guys open the trunk on your Dodge Charger. Once you do that, you're going to open here the trunk liner, you're going to lift it up, you'll get to the spare tire and the car battery. Now, first common mistake people make. It's important guys, okay, for important fuses, even I recommend it all the time, to disconnect car battery when replacing a fuse or relay, so you don't cause damage to the electrical system, modules, computers. Mistake number 2, people do not know that, but many people will not know that, but it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect first and you reconnect first, that way you don't cause damage to modules and computers as well. How we know about that? We made a mistake like that in the past and it cost us $2,000 for a new computer on Mercedes. So guys, check out, there is a video that will teach you which battery terminal to disconnect first. Next guys, right here is the fuse box that we need to check. You're going to press right here, pull it up just like that. What we have here guys, okay, fuses, relays. Most of you will not check, and most of the people, I don't blame you, they will not test fuses and relays. They will try to look through the glass or through the fuse itself and find out if it's good or bad. Always test fuses. Why? Because we had multiple cases where a customer will come, they said the fuse is good, they will spend quite a bit of time and money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, bring the car to us, and we test the fuse, found out it's actually bad fuse that looked like the good fuse in some cases. So we'll put a link to a video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. Check out the description of the video below. Which fuse we need to check, it's right behind that relay. We're going to go ahead, pull it up. Okay, and even if you have a missing fuse from left to right, you still count it. You have 1, 2, fuse number 3. That 15 fuse right here guys. That's the one for the lane departure and forward camera. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, grab it and pull it out. Okay, that's the fuse. We're going to grab a new one, push it in. Don't forget to put your ignition gun relay number 1 and close it. You're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.